Dear children, this is Mentors English Express and I am Sudha Oberoi. In my previous video part 1 of question answers, I had explained important points and textual question answers of poem number 1 Dust of Snow to the students of class 10th from their English book First Flight. This poem is composed by Robert Frost. In this second part of the video, I am going to explain you extract based questions. These questions are based on the new pattern for the board exam for the session 2021. I am also going to discuss short question answers. So let's begin with extract based questions. Stanza 1. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Important points of this stanza are: a crow shook down dust of snow from hemlock tree on the poet. Your question number 1 is, where was the crow? Answer is, the crow was on a hemlock tree. Next question is, where was the poet? The poet was walking under the tree. Next question is, what did the crow do? Answer, the crow shook the hemlock tree. Next, what is the poet's state of mind? Answer is, he is in a sad, depressive and hopeless mood. Next question is, who is me in the second line? And answer is, the poet is referred to as me in the second line. Next question, how did the crow change the poet's mood? Answer is, the crow changed the poet's mood by shaking down the beautiful dust of snow from the hemlock tree on him. Next question is, how did the poet feel? And your answer is, the poet was mesmerized to see the beautiful dust of snow and felt as if his spirit was rejuvenated. Next stanza is, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I rued. Important points of the stanza are that when the dust of snow fell on the poet, there was a change of mood and his day was saved from getting ruined. Question number 1 is, what change does the poet mention here? And answer is, the poet mentions the change of mood here. Next question is, whose part of the day has been saved? And your answer is, the poet's part of the day has been saved. Next is, name the poet. The name of the poet is Robert Frost. Next question is, what had given the poet a change of mood? Answer is, the falling of the dust of snow gave the poet a change of mood. Next is, what did the poet think of that day? And your answer is, earlier the poet was sad and grieved, but later on his spirit revived. Next, short answer type questions. These questions are to be answered in 30-40 words. Question number 1 is, how does the poet observe the nature in the poem Dust of Snow? The poet observes the nature as a great healer. He feels that nature is so pious and divine and it has magical powers to heal the dejected souls. So we should spend some time in the lap of nature. We should have a positive outlook even towards simple acts because they can teach us greater lessons of enjoying life. So value points in this question are that nature is a great healer. We should have a positive mind that is going to teach us new lesson and keep us positive. Next question is, what mood of the poet is reflected in the poem Dust of Snow? How does it get revived? Answer is, the poet's pessimistic mood is reflected in this poem. He is engrossed in his sad and depressed thoughts while walking under the tree. The beautiful velvety dust of snow falling from the tree attracts his attention. He is mesmerized by the beauty and instantly waves off pensive thoughts and becomes cheerful. The velvety dust of snow revives his dampened spirits. Your value points are, the poet is in pessimistic mood and falling of the dust of snow rejuvenates his dampened spirit. Next question is, what aspect of nature do crow and hemlock represent? Crow is ugly black bird with harsh unpleasant voice. Hemlock tree is poisonous plant with bitter fruit. They both represent dark, depressive and bitter side of nature and are considered ill omen by humans for their negative features. The value points are crow is ugly, black bird with harsh unpleasant voice, and hemlock is also poisonous tree, and they both present the dark, depressive side of nature. Next is justify the role of the crow in the poem Dust of Snow in changing the poet's mood. The crow, which is considered an ill omen, inspired the poet by igniting positive thoughts in his heart. When he shook the tree and the dust of snow fell on him, he became mesmerized by its beauty and instantly shook off his depressive thoughts to become cheerful and optimistic. The value points are that the crow changed his mood from sad to cheerful and optimistic. Your next question is, how did the poet feel on the day before the dust of snow fell on him? And your answer is, before the falling of the dust of snow on the poet, he was in pensive, sad mood. He was not interested in beauty of nature or surroundings. Here is one long question for you. No matter how ordinary or unimportant an incident may be, it's the reaction or the response that matters. Taking inspiration from the poet's reaction, write how inherent values can be picked up and learnt. This is from Dust of Snow. And your answer is, yes, the attitude of a person and his response to an incident or situation matters a lot. A positive attitude inspires a person to learn from adverse situation. It gives him strength and instills his heart with confidence. If a person is nature lover, there are better chances of coping well with the situation, as nature is a great healer. And if we observe the nature minutely, we can learn lessons of perseverance, revival, and selflessness from it. Nature has great capacity to rejuvenate and heal the dampened spirits. So, value points are that positive attitude instills heart with confidence, and nature is the best source which heals the dampened spirits. Children, if you have enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe it. You can also write your comments in the comments box below. Thank you.